So now I'm trying to delete my plugin, like need to practice plugin, but I'm getting this error called deletion failed. There has been a critical error on your website. So now let's try to fix this issue, or let's delete this plugin from our website. Okay, so to do that, I think we can first of all try with file manager. Okay, so file manager, let's search it first of all. All right, so here have a multiple ones, so I'm gonna go with this. So let's install it. Let's activate this plugin. All right, so now let's go to here, this file manager and WP file manager. And let's go to here, WP content, and here's the plugins. And here we need to finding out a Nitro pack. So let's click on content, plugins. So here you can see this Nitro pack plugin is there. So I just simply going to click. Okay, so before delete it, I think that if we take a backup, that would be more great. So we are using all-in-one WP migration, this plugin for taking backup. So let me go to this backup. Let me delete the old one. It was 2 months ago, so I'm going to delete the old one. And now I'm just going to create a new backup, because right now I'm going to do changes. Okay, so if our website is break, so if we have a backup, then we can easily restart the website. Otherwise, if we don't have any backups, then it's gonna really hard to like get back a website. All right, so my website backup is done, as you can see. Now let's install. Let's delete it. Let's click on delete and let's delete. All right, so it sounds like it's delayed. Let's go back to our website again and reload it. All right, so now let's go to this active, and here is, as you can see, there is no plugin, an active plugin. All of this active. So if I search here, Nitro pack, so as you can see, there is nothing. Right, so this plugin is almost delayed. So I hope guys you understand. By this way you can solve your issue. So if you get the same error like me, then you can install this plugin and go to this WP content file and plugins and just simply delete it. That's it. If you feel this video is helpful, then simply click on this like button and let me in the comment section that your problem is solved or not. And if you like to see more videos like this, then you can simply do subscribe. Thank you.